Hi, I'm Rishika and I enrolled for the Python program conducted by Sankalp World Championship. And it was my first coding based program, and I was absolutely new to coding, knew nothing about it. But being my first program, it was very informative. It taught me many new skills in Python, and I really enjoyed the program all throughout the process. I got to know about this program through Sankalp itself because I had participated in another championship, and thus they told me about this program. And as soon as I got to know, I enrolled myself immediately because Sankalp teaches very well and their staff is pretty amazing. The study material for this program is provided through an online portal called Gmetrics, where you have your own username and password, and they keep you updated on your scores and tests, and they provide videos which have proper instructors training you and guiding you all throughout the process. And the sessions that were conducted online were pretty amazing as well. All questions were answered accurately, with each and every detail covered. And this entire learning experience has been totally amazing with Sankalp. And anyone else who wants to learn Python, Sankalp is the best place for it. Thank you.